How to change team's name on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and welcome back to our channel Create Login and Delete. So let's start the video. In order to change your team's name, let's first open up the Fantasy Premier League app or just go to fantasy.premierleague.com and from there log in with your username and password. And after that, simply go to Pick Team, scroll it down. From here, just under the admin section, you can see team details. Tap on team details. And here you can see your team's name. Just tap on the box. And from here, you can change your team's name easily. And also you can change the color of shirts, your socks. You can even add sponsors logo. And after you have chosen everything, just click on update details. And from here, you can see the team name has been changed. And in this way, you can change your team's name on Fantasy Premier League. So if you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.